Understanding gerunds, converting verbs into nouns. A gerund is the word that you make by adding ing to a verb. This word then becomes a noun. For example, if you add ing to swim, it becomes swimming. And if you use swimming as an activity, it becomes a noun. Here is how. Swimming is a fun activity during summer. He prefers swimming over running to remain in good shape. Why is swimming a noun in both of these sentences? Because it is being used to refer to an activity. An activity is a noun. Keep in mind that adding ing to a verb doesn't always turn it into a noun. Take for example these sentences. Rajesh is a swimming champion. Rajesh is swimming. In the sentence Rajesh is a swimming champion, since champion is a noun and the word swimming tells you what type of champion Rajesh is, swimming here becomes an adjective. In the sentence Rajesh is swimming, what is Rajesh doing? Rajesh is swimming. So in this case, swimming is a verb, or rather, is swimming is a verb. Let's see another example. Rajesh is swimming. Rajesh likes swimming. In the sentence Rajesh is swimming, you can see what is happening. Think of it as, look at him, he is swimming. You can actually see Rajesh doing something. Since Rajesh is doing something, swimming is a part of the verb phrase is swimming and hence not a noun. In the sentence Rajesh likes swimming, do you see Rajesh swimming? No, you don't. You are simply telling what Rajesh likes. So in this case, swimming is a noun. Therefore, after adding ing, if someone is still doing something, if someone can be seen doing something, then the word is not a gerund. But if you are simply using the word to describe what someone likes, or what someone usually does, or what someone will do, the word is a gerund. So what is a gerund? When you add ing to a verb, and when the new word is used as a noun, it is called a gerund. Why are gerunds important? They allow us to use actions as things. You can say, I like to sleep, or you can say, I like sleeping. In the first sentence, I like to sleep, we are focusing on the action of sleeping. You can write the same sentence as, I like the act of sleeping. I like to perform the action of sleeping. Here is another way of confirming that in the sentence, I like to sleep, sleep is a verb. What do you like to do? I like to sleep. So since here, sleep is an answer to what do you like to do, sleep becomes a verb. On another note, in the sentence I like to sleep is also an infinitive, but that is another topic. For the time being, just know that sleep here is not a noun. In the sentence I like sleeping, if you ask what do you like, the answer would be obviously you like something. What do you like? You like sleeping, which is an activity and hence a noun. Remember that every ing ending word is not a gerund. Take for example this sentence. The warning from the policeman brought the truck to a grinding halt. Here the word grinding is derived from the combination of grind and ing, but it is an adjective for the noun halt. So what sort of halt? A grinding halt. Talking about grinding, while researching for this topic, I also came across an interesting aspect called gerund phrase. Take for example these two sentences. I love grinding. I love grinding almonds. In the sentence I love grinding, according to what I have explained previously, grinding is a noun because you love an activity and activity is a noun. In this sentence, I love grinding almonds. What do you love? You love grinding almonds. So the entire phrase grinding almonds becomes a gerund phrase. Here is another example of a gerund phrase. Swimming in the river every morning is relaxing. What is relaxing? Swimming in the river every morning. So this whole thing is a gerund phrase. Quick revision. Simply adding ing to a verb doesn't make it a gerund. In order to be a gerund, it must also be a noun. Here are some examples of verbs becoming gerunds. Verb. Malcolm swims every morning. Gerund. Malcolm enjoys swimming every morning. Verb. Priya reads before going to bed. Gerund. Priya enjoys reading before going to bed. Verb. The baby sleeps peacefully. Gerund. The baby likes sleeping peacefully. If you write the same sentence like the baby is sleeping peacefully, then sleeping is not a gerund because is sleeping is the verb of the sentence. Verb. My mother cooks delicious meals. Gerund. My mother loves cooking delicious meals. Verb. Robin writes content for websites. Gerund. Robin enjoys writing content for websites. I hope in this video you have understood what are gerunds, how they are formed, and how to recognize them in sentences. If yes, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon so that you receive a notification when I upload my next video.